Let's take a minute to talk about keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can really, really speed up your process, and it's sort of best if you specialize them to what you do, like how you like to work. So if you go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, you're going to pop up this window here, which has a keyboard, which you could assign down here like what everything does. Now it comes with the default stuff, which you'll see. This is how it is normal, and you hit Shift, you hit Control, you hit Alt, Function maybe. No, let's see if Control and Shift together make something different. So it's Shift, that's Control, Control Shift. Excellent. Control Alt Shift. There we go. So you have a wide variety of opportunities for you to lay in functions here. So, with almost every editing program out there, the play will be J, K, and L. But everything else is sort of up for grabs a little bit. In and out would be I and O. But if you are comfortable with the Avid um, defaults, you can click there, and then now you have the Avid defaults, at least some of them anyway. um, uh, if you're very familiar with Final Cut, Final Cut Pro 7 is an oldie but a goodie. Um, and that's you have you know um, your things there. So I like to design my own for the way I work. That way I can go from one editing system to another and bring my keyboard with me and be able to work the way I like to work without having to think about how a particular program does something differently. Anyway, so let's say you wanted to have the slip tool. So you can click on it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a bit. You can, oh, no, okay. You can click on it and you can create your own shortcut here. Let's say Alt Shift to Control H, and that then becomes your thing. Now this over here is just my keyboard shortcut for zooming in. It has nothing to do with Premiere. I'm gonna eliminate that one, and then I have that as my shortcut. And it's to say, OK. And now when I hit Control Alt Shift H, I should get that tool. There we go, right here. Boom. And we're all lived happily ever after. The end.